Hey, it's Minimalist Gourmet, and today we'll be making the most fantastic honey roasted carrots. Bursting with fall flavors, you won't believe how easy these are to make. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. There's almost no prep to this recipe, but we do need to start by peeling our carrots. That's a lot better. Next, we're going to cut these, and you're going to shoot for something about a quarter to three-eighths of an inch thick. I like cutting on the bias. I think that this not only looks a little nicer, but it gives them a little bit more surface area to brown up on and absorb in that beautiful honey butter. This is one of my favorite side dishes to make for Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's great because you can make it up before you start cooking. Once you pull out your meat to rest, you can pop this in and everything's ready at the same time. And as always, check out the description below for a recipe. And while you're down there, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel out. We're going to load up our carrots onto a baking dish and hit them with a good bit of salt. You can also put some black pepper, that goes fantastic. I like to melt my butter before I pour it over the carrots, but if you're in a hurry, you can certainly just cut a few pats and put it right on top. Accentuate the natural sweetness of the carrots by sprinkling a bit of brown sugar over the top evenly, and then we're going to finish this off with just a bit of honey. Hey, I said it was absolutely delicious. I never said it was low calorie. It's not a daily sort of recipe, it's a special occasion recipe. Give everything a thorough mix. And hey, when you're at the store, if you're having trouble choosing which carrots to buy, just ask a snowman. They're great at picking their nose. Put everything into a nice even layer, try not to stack too much, and then we're going to put this in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Oh boy, does my house smell like the holidays. You have that nice earthy scent from the carrots combined with that sweet brown sugar and honey. Yeah, man, this is a combo made in heaven. My carrots cook for about 20 minutes. I like them to be al dente. That way you have that nice, soft, fluffy exterior, but right in the center you have just a tiny bit of crunch, and you get the best of both worlds when it comes to that beautiful texture. I also like to spoon the sauce over the top of the carrots before I serve them so every bite has that beautiful, sweet flavor. When it comes to serving, as usual in my house, we're going to serve this up family style. If you'd like, you can actually pour this directly in so all that sauce is on the bottom, and each one of your guests can scoop up a little sauce as they like. Finally, I love to contrast the sweet flavor of the carrots and the honey with a little bit of herbs. I like to use thyme, but also rosemary is a great option. Of course, use what you like. Sweet and savory, pillowy soft and crunchy, this dish is absolutely guaranteed to wow. And of course, no holiday dinner would be complete without cranberry sauce. Check out my video right here where I show you how to make the most amazing cranberry dipping sauce you've ever had in your life. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see y'all again here next week.